Everyone, welcome back to Modern Retro Gal. My name's JL in case it's the first time you're visiting my channel, and today's video is episode 3 in my guide to styling fine baby fine hair. If you haven't watched the other 2 videos, I will add last week's video up here, and in that video you can actually click over to the first video that I did. So I hope that you have been practicing your baby tease and kind of getting used to that, and maybe even finding your perfect teasing and smoothing brush. It really does make a difference in styling your hair. So today we are going to talk about 3 styling products that I feel like are necessary for those of you with fine hair. This is going to be like separate from shampoo and conditioner, but these are 3 products that I regularly use on my hair whenever I am styling or trying to keep a style going. So first things first, before actually I show them to you, I do want to preface this with these products may or may not be cruelty free. I really haven't checked into them lately. They were at one time accepted in the cruelty free community. Normally I only mention and spotlight products that are cruelty free. However, with the COVID and stores being shut down and I'm not good with ordering things online. Like, I need it now. Like, if I run out of dry shampoo, I need a new thing of dry shampoo. So this is going to be more about like specific products, and it doesn't really matter the brand. Find whatever brand works for you best, but these are more like the type of products that I think are that you need. So number 1, you need a good dry shampoo. My favorite is actually the I think it's IGK, their charcoal dry shampoo. I will link that down below. That is like my favorite dry shampoo. And Ulta has been taking a while to ship things, and my Ulta is still not even open, even for curbside pickup. They're killing me. So I just have good old Batiste. I don't really care about the white cast. Some people have a huge issue with it leaving the white powdery film, like color discoloration on the hair. I just brush it out. Like, it's not that big of a deal to me. But a good dry shampoo will make all the difference. I actually like to spray this into my bangs even the day that I wash my hair, because I feel like it just really helps like give that texture back. I also will lightly dust my roots before I go to bed with this. And I also use it prior to working out. It does help soak up some of the sweat. And then when it dries, it's just not quite so grodied. So good dry shampoo. Second product is, this is from Healthy Sexy Hair, also Big Sexy Hair. I don't know, they have like a whole bunch of whatever sexy hair lines. Again, I know this used to be accepted within the cruelty-free community. Please don't get mad at me if it's not anymore. But this is a dry texture spray. So this is sort of like, almost like a dry wax for the hair, but not quite. It's like not quite hairspray, not quite dry shampoo, not quite like a spray wax. It's sort of like this in between, and I feel like especially for teasing, this is really great pre-teasing to put on because it does kind of hold, but not so much as hairspray. So you're not gonna get like that over buildup of like hairspray. You know what I mean? Sometimes hairspray with fine hair is great, and sometimes it does like weird things to it. So a good dry texture spray is a plus. I love it using it on the roots when I don't necessarily want to use hairspray, because I usually only buy one kind of hairspray and it's like a heavy duty one. So this is sort of like gonna help keep your style in place, but it's not gonna be like a heavy duty hairspray, so you can kind of use it and still style your hair and manipulate it. Whereas like the kind of hairspray that I use is like the finishing touch hairspray. It's like bulletproof hairspray. So This is another great one. I think there's some other brands that make something similar. So I also love to spray it underneath my bangs and then kind of brush them back over. And it does something where it just, because it adds like some texture to the hair, fine hair needs that desperately. And so it adds texture without like weight and grease or heaviness. It's just a really, really great product. If this isn't cruelty free and you can get past that, I actually really highly recommend it. Last but certainly not least, this is Bedhead again. I don't even know anymore. I've just been grabbing whatever's in stock at Target, to be honest. And so this is from Bedhead. This is their mini hard head. It's a hard hold hairspray. This stuff is, again, this is like a bulletproof hairspray. That is one of the last things that you want, especially for updos. It will keep any like little fine hairs from moving around. It's great for bangs on a windy day. So really, it's not about this particular one. This is just what I had grabbed because it was around. But yeah, a nice, good, strong hold hairspray is really, really needed for fine hair, especially if you have shorter fine hair and you want to try and do something up. A really, really good bulletproof hard hold hairspray is going to be your best friend. So that is it. Those are the 3 products that I think every fine hair girl needs. And that is it. I hope you're enjoying this series. I've been having fun with it. Got one more video to go, and yeah, that's about it for me. So if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. It would really help me out. And if you're not subscribed, I would love to have you as a subscriber, so be sure to click the subscribe button and the bell to be notified every time I upload. That is it for me. One more video to go in this series, and then maybe we'll do some makeup. Who knows? We'll see. Are you following me on my vacation travels? If not, be sure to follow me over on Instagram at Modern Retro Gal, and you can see all the fun that I'm having camping. That's right. Not a camper, but I'm camping. So yep, that's it. Have a great day. Hope you guys are all healthy and being safe, and I'll see you again soon.